welcome to the February 2024 issue of Cleaner Magazine. This preview is brought to you by Hotjet USA. Faster cleaning means increased revenue. Visit hotjetusa.com. On the cover, read about Mike Prenkovich Jr., the dynamic force behind the family plumber in Los Alamitos. Inheriting the legacy from his father, Mike seamlessly blends traditional values with innovative growth strategies. Discover how this second-generation owner transformed a two-truck operation into a thriving fleet of 22 vans serving Orange and LA counties. Meet Morris "Mo" Morgan, the driving force behind Hotjet USA's latest game-changer. Discover the turbo diesel trailer jetter, boasting 10% more power than its counterparts. Powered by a Yanmar diesel engine, it's not just a machine, it's an industry beast. Cleaner Magazine isn't just a publication, it's your go-to educational resource in the industry. Dive into the expertise shared by hands-on professionals like Anthony Pasilla. From sewer system design to training new talents, Cleaner is your conduit for practical knowledge. Explore Absolute Pipe's game-changing move into hard-to-access easement work. Co-owner Stephen Buckland shares how their Rhino RH100 easement reel machine transformed frustration into profit, uncovering a new market niche. Join Hayden Plumbing's century-long success in Milwaukee, where strategic investments extend beyond cutting-edge equipment. Uncover their secret to minimizing downtime, a 6,000-square-foot mini warehouse run by operational manager Kevin Oswalt. Co-owner Andy Wyderka's emphasis on organization and efficiency keeps technicians on the job, saving time and boosting profits. Navigate the complex landscape of employee retention tax credit with tax attorney Peter Haukibo, unraveling how businesses can recoup thousands per employee. Discover eligibility nuances, common pitfalls, and the unique challenges faced during the IRS moratorium. Unlock the secrets of sewer system designs. Dive into the distinct worlds of residential, commercial, and industrial systems with valuable insights from seasoned service technicians. Equip yourself to tackle complexities, prevent issues, and emerge as a sewer system expert for success in diverse settings. Revolutionize your business with innovative software categories. Explore real-time GIS solutions, streamline operations in drain cleaning with integrated software, and optimize waste management with specialized tools. Explore how Arlington County tackled a massive sewer upgrade challenge. Learn from Chief Operating Engineer Jeremy Hassan how integrated Esri, Cartograph, and IT Pipe software shifted their approach, streamlining efficiency, eliminating duplication, and enabling predictive planning. Cleaner Magazine is for and about you, and we appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and see you next month.